Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. If you remember some time back I had done unboxing of a small electric kettle. This is the one. Sometimes there are certain products you really like them when they are useful. So this is one of them. I'm really happy with the purchase and I'm using it every day. I also tried out some recipes in this which I'm going to share with all of you today. This is really a handy one, especially for bachelors and students. While they are hungry in between their studies, they can make some small snack for themselves and enjoy. So shall we proceed to see what we can make in this kettle? Let's start with a simple recipe, a packet soup. Empty the contents into the kettle. Add 1 cup of water as mentioned on the pack. Now give it a nice stir using a small balloon whisk to avoid all the lumps. Close the lid and switch on the kettle. Here I am not going to fast forward the video as I want you to see the exact time it took to make this soup. This small sachet is really very handy. Whenever you are hungry, you can quickly make and enjoy this any time of the day. And especially when you have a small kettle like this, it makes your work easy. Friends, if you want to buy this kettle, please do so. I would highly recommend it. Apart from making tea and coffee, I've started using it for many other things also. Some of them I've shared in this video and maybe many more will be coming up soon. Now this kettle is switched off automatically. You can see the soup is ready. Remove it into a bowl. You can season it with black pepper if you wish to, and enjoy it. Next, let's boil the egg in this kettle. Pour about 1.5 cups of water and put the egg carefully. Cover the lid and switch on the kettle. Being the first attempt today, I'm putting only 1 egg, but there's room for 1 more. Maybe we should try boiling 2 eggs at a time. I guess it will work. The best part of this kettle is it's very light, feather light. You can easily carry it when you are traveling. It's a boon for students. Late night during their studies, whenever they are hungry, they can quickly make a snack to fulfill their hunger. I tried out few things which I have shared with you in this video, and if you have any more ideas, do share them with me so that I can also try them out. This video might be little longer because each dish I've tried out as it is without fast forwarding the video. If you like to have half-boiled egg with slightly runny yolk, you can manually switch off the kettle halfway through, remove the egg. But now we'll continue to make hard-boiled egg. So we'll allow the kettle to switch off automatically. It should be nearly done now, I guess. Yes, here we go. If you are not ready to serve it right away, you can leave the egg in hot water until you are ready to eat. This will keep it warm for some time. Now remove the egg. Let's check it out if it is boiled properly. Quite hot. Now peel the egg. Cut it and season it with salt and pepper. We have got a perfectly hard boiled egg. Wasn't that amazing? Very fast. The next recipe we are going to try is masala oats, not from the ready packet but from the fresh ingredients. For this, take about 2 small ladles or 5 tablespoons of oats. These are quick cooking oats. Put them into the kettle. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of grated carrot. You may use any vegetable available at home. 1 tablespoon of tomato puree. Magic masala, about 1 teaspoon. Use as per your taste. I like it very mild. And some coriander leaves. Salt to taste. And water. I'm adding 1 cup of water plus little more, 3 tablespoons, because I like my oats to be little thinner consistency like porridge. Mix everything well and close the lid and switch on the kettle. Now in this you can make many variations like adding green peas or any other vegetable. You can add greens also like spinach, finely chopped spinach. Choice is yours. There are many options. If you want it spicier, you could add a little bit of red chili powder also. According to your taste, you can mix and match various ingredients. Now we'll allow this to cook until the kettle switches off automatically. This is a very healthy option for breakfast. We have it often, at least once a week. This is made in our house. So I find this kettle very easy for this. Now this is done. Let it rest for a couple of minutes. The resting makes the oats fluff up very well. It's done. As I said, I like it little thinner. So if you like thick consistency, you can just skip adding 3 tablespoons extra water. Transfer it into a serving bowl and enjoy your healthy breakfast. This portion serves 1 person. Such a healthy option, isn't it? So do give it a try. And now let's make cheese macaroni pasta. This is kids' favorite. Often children come home hungry after they play with their friends. So we can make this. It will be ready in a jiffy for them. Transfer all the contents into the kettle. The pasta and the sachet. Seasonings given in the sachet. Add 1 cup of water, as mentioned on the packet. Mix everything well. Close the lid and start the kettle. By the time children have a wash and they freshen up, the pasta is going to be ready for them. Here we go. It's done. Now let's rest it for a couple of minutes. As I told you, the resting period will puff up the pasta very well. Give it a stir. Let's check it out. It's done very well. Very soft and nice. Cooked perfectly. If you wish, you could even add some cheese now at this stage, or add little after removing it in a bowl. If there's any pasta stuck to the base, you can remove it with the ladle. Delicious pasta is ready to enjoy. You can season it with black pepper. You could even add boiled corn in this if you wish to. Pasta is ready. Enjoy. And now everybody's favorite 2-minute noodles. Normally we cook according to the instructions given on the packet. Add water accordingly. But here we are going to add less water, because the water in the pan evaporates while cooking. In the kettle they get cooked faster, so we don't need as much. Now transfer the noodles into the kettle. Add 250 ml of water. Add the contents from the sachets, the spice mix and the oil given. Stir them well. Now close the lid and switch on the kettle. Now the capacity of this kettle is 500 ml. So it's better when you are cooking anything, especially like noodles, add only 250 ml, which is half the quantity, because we want to avoid overflowing. 2 or 3 tablespoons extra will not really matter that much, but if you add quarter cup extra, then it will definitely overflow. As such, we don't require too much water while cooking this kettle, because it gets done very fast. So whatever is mentioned on the packet, always reduce the quantity of water. Actually, 2-minute noodles is the first thing that came to my mind when I thought of cooking in this kettle, which is generally everybody's favorite. Even kids want 2-minute noodles all the time. Now it's done. Open after resting it for a minute. You can adjust the consistency as you like, soupy or thick. If you want thick noodles, you can reduce the quantity of water. I like soupy noodles. You could even add some vegetables or boiled chicken. So yummy, yummy, quick 2-minute noodles is ready for you to enjoy. Craving for a dessert? Let's make something easy here quickly. Sugar 2 tablespoons, almonds 2 sliced, 3 pistachios sliced, cardamom powder, salt 1 pinch, saffron few threads, roasted thin vermicelli quarter cup. Choose the thin variety that gets cooked very fast. We are going to make vermicelli kheer. Little bit of ghee, we'll use 1/8 teaspoon. 200 ml of milk. Let's begin. First, transfer the milk into the kettle. I'm using the pasteurized milk. If you're using normal milk, use the boiled milk. Now add all the ingredients mentioned. Dip in the vermicelli. Add little bit of ghee. This makes it rich. Give a nice stir so that everything is mixed very well. And close the kettle. Switch it on and wait for your kheer to be ready. It will be done within 2 minutes. Amazing, isn't it? Whenever you feel like having vermicelli kheer, you can just make it this way and enjoy. You can also try out makhana kheer the same way. You can roast the makhanas, crumble them and add. If you start thinking, there might be few more options. Maybe there are some more desserts that can be made in this kettle. My family loves vermicelli kheer, so I thought of making it first. Now it's done. As always, we'll rest it a bit before opening. It's ready. Transfer it into the serving bowl. You can garnish with some more nuts if you wish to. And enjoy your kheer. As simple as that.